Hey everybody, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and be sure to hit that bell if you want to be notified of my future videos. I already have my white Model 1's polish on these nails. I went ahead and took care of that so the video wouldn't be very long, and I also used the Model 1's base gel. So let's get to it. This is them so far. I've already drawn all the lines I want to with the silver, And now I'm going to use the beautiful white glitter polish also from Model 1s and to fill in some of the white spaces before I put the colors in. When I finished with the white glitter polish, I felt that it was a little bit too textured for this design. I wanted it to be really smooth. So I put some Model 1's top coat on it, buffed it out, and then put more top coat on that. I decided to make the red and the blue a matte finish and keep the white glitter polish shiny. I felt if the white glitter polish was matte, it might not show its beauty as much. And then I decided that the silver got a little bit lost in the whole design, and I redid the silver lines. here they are, red, white, and blue. I thought they turned out really pretty. I actually really love them. That red is just gorgeous. The blue's beautiful, but the red, it's just so pretty. I wish I had some little gems that kind of matched better, but I guess they didn't turn out too bad. I was a little worried about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to leave a comment, and please have a very safe 4th of July and have fun.